Is Sharp TV still in business? Let's find out. Yes, Sharp TVs are still in business and continue to produce televisions, though their market presence has diminished compared to competitors like Samsung, LG, or Sony. Sharp, a pioneer in the TV industry, is known for its innovation in display technology, including the development of LCD TVs. While they faced financial challenges in the past, leading to acquisitions and restructuring, Sharp remains active under the ownership of Foxconn, Hon Hai Precision Industry. Their TVs are particularly popular in regions like Asia and Europe, offering affordable options with decent features like 4K resolution and smart functionalities. If you're looking for a budget-friendly TV with reliable performance, Sharp is still a viable choice, though it may not compete with top-tier brands in terms of advanced features. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.